Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. First of all, I want to apologise to all of my viewers, all my subscribers, just for the lack of content over the past year or so. 2023 has been an extremely busy year for me personally and for the channel, and as a result there's been no real fresh content being put up there. The reason for so little content being put on there is because I have been co-organising a car show with a good friend of mine, Philip Somerville. So this all started really almost 18 months ago when Philip came to me suggesting that we should maybe try to do something for the local neonatal units which are close to our hearts. Well, my son Bertie was born in February 2021. He was born 4.5 weeks early and had to spend his first 24 hours in the neonatal unit of Craigavon Area Hospital, and then he spent the first week of his life in the main ward because he needed some additional observation and some medication. Now, Philip's son Jack, he was born in October 21. He was born quite early. He was born in the Royal Jubilee Maternity Hospital in Belfast, and then he spent some time there before he was transferred to Craigavon Area Hospital, to the neonatal unit there, and I believe he spent about 50 days or so in Craigavon. So that's where our passion for this has come about, and you can understand the reason why we really wanted to help out. The neonatal units and especially the nurses that work there are completely unrecognised, and they definitely need as much funding as they can to keep up doing the amazing work that they do. So given all of that, and after all of the planning over the last 18 months or so, we are now 1 week away from Jack and Bertie's car show Bonanza. Behind me is Armagh Palace. This is a spectacular backdrop to have for the car show, kindly given to us by Armagh City, Banbridge and Craigavon Borough Council. This former Archbishop's Palace, which is now the council chambers and the old grounds, is a perfect location for our event. This field behind me here, we want to fill with cars. We already have almost 90 prepaid entries, ranging from 1912 right through to 2016 and everything in between. All vehicles are welcome, so no matter what you have, please bring it down. On the day it's going to be £13 per car coming in as well, which so every penny is going to be going to the charities. Like I said, this area behind me here, this is where main show cars are going to be. But up here in front of the house we will have a special display area with some pretty spectacular cars. We have no less than 4 Works Minis. We have the replica 33 EJB, which was the 1964 Monte Carlo winning car of the late Paddy Hopkirk. So that car has been very kindly lent to us by Minisport and by the Hopkirk family, and will look amazing in front of here. We also have the 1964 Circuit of Ireland winning car by the late Ronnie McCartney, and the splattering of other minis. But it isn't just minis. Anybody who knows me in this channel knows we're into minis, but this show is catering for everything. We also have a number of Group B rally cars. We've got some classic race and rally cars. We have like Opel Manta 400, 604 Metro, that kind of vehicle. There's something there which will cater for everybody, which is going to be spectacular. We've got live music as well from the MD Rafferty Music School here in Armagh. We're going to have catering on site. We've got kids activities, which is just going to be behind the trees here. We've got trade stand. We have a craft fair. So something for the whole family to enjoy. So we really hope that you're free on Saturday the 1st of June. Bring down whatever you have. Then we are welcoming everything down to the event. But if you aren't able to make it, we do have a GoFundMe. The link will be in the description down below. So please support us where you can, and try to help us hit that number that we're trying to achieve to give to the very worthy neonatal units. So yeah, hopefully on Saturday the 1st of June, this area here will be filled with cars, and again, like, this is a beautiful backdrop to have as a car show. So yeah, hope you can support us, And yeah, follow us on our Facebook and our Instagram. The links again are going to be in the description below. So all I can say, thanks again for watching. Thank you for bearing with us over the lull in content coming from the channel. I hope you'll continue with us. And yeah, going forward in 2024, hope to give more content to yourselves, and hopefully we will have some content from our own show here as well. So yeah, thanks again, and yeah, see you on the 1st of June.